Simran, bringing you the latest updates from around the world. Let's get started. President Donald Trump proposed the US taking over the Gaza Strip and assuming responsibility for reconstructing the war-torn territory during a press conference with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. The US will take over the Gaza Strip, Trump said at the White House on Tuesday. We will own it and be responsible for dismantling all of the dangerous unexploded bombs and other weapons on the site. Philippine politics just got even wilder. A once formidable alliance between President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. and Vice President Sara Duterte has turned into open warfare. This all-out political showdown could take the country into the abyss of uncertainty. But one thing's for sure, if it drags on, say goodbye to smooth economic recovery and hello to vanishing jobs. The unprecedented power struggle between the country's top leaders has raised concern about the stability and the future of reforms in the Asian nation. India's decision in July 2024 to slash the import duty on gold from 15% to 6% did have an impact on jewelry demand in the UAE to a degree. That, along with ever-increasing price of gold during 2024, led to a 13% drop in jewelry sales in the UAE in 2024. According to the latest report by World Gold Council, gold went through a series of new price highs in 2024, which did have an impact on UAE shoppers' demand for jewelry. We all know that Dubai International is the world's busiest airport for 10 consecutive years. As many as 92.3 million guests passed through its terminal last year, with the projection for 2025 pegged at 94 million. But how many of us are aware that Dubai Airport has a Chief People's Officer, CPO? The role of CPO is to ensure people feel valued, engaged, and empowered to create exceptional experiences our guests have come to expect. Dubai Airport introduced the title just last year, but it was something they had been working toward for a long time. A colossal explosion in the sky unleashing energy hundreds of times greater than the Hiroshima bomb. A blinding flash nearly as bright as the sun, shock waves powerful enough to flatten everything for miles. It may sound apocalyptic, but a newly detected asteroid nearly the size of the football field now has a greater than 1% chance of colliding with Earth in about 8 years. Such an impact has the potential for city-level devastation depending on where it strikes. Individuals who have made significant contributions to environmental protection and sustainability can now apply for the UAE 10-year blue residency visa. First announced in May 2024, the long-term visa aims to attract experts in sustainability and climate change, allowing them to support the UAE's environment, economical and social development. Applications are now available through the Federal Authority for Identity, Citizenship, Customs and Port Security (ICP) via its official online visa service platform. The Aga Khan, Imam of the Ismaili Muslim and head of a major development aid foundation, died Tuesday in Lisbon at the age of 88, his foundation announced. His Highness Prince Karim Al Husseini Aga Khan IV, 49th hereditary Imam of the Shia Ismaili Muslim and direct descendant of the Prophet Muhammad. The development network works in over 30 countries around the world and currently operates over 1,000 programs and institutions, many of which date back over 60 years and some over 100. Residents in the country will witness clear to partly cloudy skies along with a gradual increase in temperatures starting today. The Met Office forecast a probability of rainfall and decrease in temperatures during this week. According to the National Center of Meteorology, NCM, residents can expect humid weather condition at night with a probability of mist formation today over some coastal areas. The UAE affirmed it's committed to support regional peace and stability and its historic and steadfast position to safeguard the rights of Palestinians, Furthermore, the UAE underscored the importance of finding a serious political horizon to resolve the Palestinian-Israeli conflict and stabilize an independent Palestinian state, reflecting the UAE's belief that regional stability can only be attained through the two-state solution. According to Sensor Tower's State of Mobile 2025 report, TikTok is the most popular app in the UAE as residents spend on average around 2 hours a day using it. Dubai-based Telegram was the second most popular app in the UAE as residents spend an average of an hour a day using it, said the report. UAE residents spend most of their time online on social media apps and platforms, followed by AI chatbots, software and other utilities, media, entertainment, and browsing for shopping. That's all for now. Thanks for being with us. Don't forget to follow Fresh Media News channel for the latest updates. Stay safe and stay connected. Thank you.